What if I told you, is your VPN still spying on you? Yeah, even the no-log ones. But today, I found something different, a VPN that claims it can't spy on you, even if it wanted to. Let's talk about VP.net. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. Hello, welcome back. If you care about privacy, security, or just staying anonymous online, this video is for you. Because most VPNs say, trust us, we don't log your data. But here's the problem. You can't actually verify that. And that's exactly where VP.net changes the game. So what makes VP.net special? It's built using something called Intel SGX. Now, don't worry, let me simplify that. Think of it like a locked black box inside your computer. Even the company itself cannot see inside. Your data stays hidden, permanently. That means no logs, no spying, no hidden tracking. And most importantly, you don't have to trust them. You can actually verify it yourself. Let's quickly go through what you're getting. 1. Verifiable Zero-Knowledge Privacy. This is huge. Your data literally can't be accessed, not even by VP.net. 2. Secure Enclave protection. Everything runs inside hardware-level security. 3. Kill switch. If your VPN disconnects, your internet stops instantly. No leaks. 4. IP masking and leak protection. Your real identity stays hidden. 5. Unlimited bandwidth. Stream, browse, download, no limits. And 6. Multi-device support. You can use it on up to 5 devices at the same time. Now, let's talk real-life use. You can use VP.net for browsing safely on public Wi-Fi, bypassing restrictions, streaming content, and protecting your identity. Since they have global servers, you get stable performance worldwide. Right now, you can grab VP.net at a discounted price. Starts around $69.99 per year. Longer plans give better value. And honestly, for this level of verifiable privacy, it's pretty competitive. So here's my honest opinion. If you just want a basic VPN, there are plenty of options. But if you want real, provable privacy, if you don't want to blindly trust a company, then VP.net is something truly different. It's not just another VPN, it's a new way of thinking about privacy. If you want to check it out, I've dropped the link in the description below. And if this video helped you, like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Remember, don't trust, verify. See you at the next one.